now we have properties of exponent. Sa properties of exponents naman, ay meron tayo ditong sinasabi na if B is any real number and N is any positive po siya, integer. Sa properties exponent po natin, yung B po natin, siya pa yung magsisilbing ating base, and yung N po natin, siya po yung magsisilbing ating exponent. So meron tayo ditong unang properties, which is yung kaunang property natin, if N is equal to 1, then B raised to N power is equals to B. Paano to nangyari na 1 na to? Sige, yung letter B natin yan yung base, and yung exponent natin which is equal to 1. So ito yung magiging yung example, example niya, we have at least any number, at least we have 2, din yung power natin which is yung N ba, is equal to 1. So 1 daw po yung exponent natin. So 2 raised to 1 is also equals to 2 pa rin po siya. Ganun po ang ibig sabihin ng unang properties po natin. Kaya po binibigay na lang na inaalis na lang yung exponent na 1 kasi whole number din po siya. Constant na pong meron tayong 1 yun dyan na ating exponent, every whole number. Diba po, alam po natin na every whole number po, meron tayong exponent na 1, denominator na 1. Yan po yung mga whole number po natin. Kaya dapat given na po, alam na po natin na constant na po yan. So ito naman, we have second properties, which is pangalawa natin. If N is greater than 1, then B raised to N is equals to B multiplied to B and minus 1. Paano daw yun nasabi na yung base daw natin, B raised to N natin, is equals to B multiplied to B raised to N minus 1. So greater than 1 daw po yung ibig sabihin. So gawin po natin tong example. So again, gamitin po natin yung number 2 or number 3 na lang po yung gamitin natin. Let's say our base is equal to 3 and our N is greater than 1. Okay, ano ba yung mga number na greater than 1 natin? Pwedeng 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Yan, any number dyan. So, gawin lang natin na 2 kasi greater than 1 ang 2 natin. So, ito na yun. B and raise of the N power. Ito na po siya. Ito na po siya yung magiging resulta po natin. Is equals to B daw. B natin which is yung base natin. Tapos yung N minus 1. So, i-multiply daw natin siya sa base na 3, din yung N natin which is 2, minus 1 po natin. Parang sinasubstitute lang po natin dito. Nakukuha? So magiging equal po ang 3 squared is equals po siya sa 3 multiply into 2 minus 1, syempre magiging 1 po, which is 3 raised to 1, ganun din po yan. Tulad ng ginawa natin dito, yung raised to 1, ganun pa rin po yung number na sagot. So, the number itself pa rin. So, alisin na natin yung 1 para given na po. Ganyan po yung ibig sabihin. So, it means, ibig sabihin na nito, 3 squared is equals to 3 times 3 is equals to 9. 9 na po yung tamang sagot dyan. So, sana po nasusundan, So, proceed na po tayo sa pangatlong properties. We have the third property which is if f base is not equal to 0, then base natin raised to negative n, raised daw po siya sa negative n, is equal daw po sa 1 all over b raised to n. So ganyan daw po yung ibig sabihin ng properties natin, pangatlong property. So paano natin ito gagawa ng example? So ganito po yan. So It means yung letter B natin hindi daw equal sa 0. So, let's say yung B natin is 1. Okay, pwedeng 1 or 2 yung B natin. Substitute na lang natin yung B natin, which is 2. Tapos, yung N daw natin is negative, which is yung exponent. Let's say we have negative 2. Ganyan. Base natin to, ito naman yung ating N. So, equals daw po siya. Yung magiging resulta daw po, magiging siyang positive kung magiging siyang fraction na 1 over 2 squared na daw po yung equals. Ganyan na po yung kalalabasan. Or equal to, syempre, 2 squared is equals to 4. Kasi 2 times 2 po siya, ano? Magiging 4, 1 over 1/4. Yan po. 2 raised to negative 2 is equals to 1/4 po yan. Kuha po. So, ganun po ang ibig sabihin nito na sinasabi sa properties na number 3 na po natin. So, properties po natin na number 4, lagay na po natin. So, sa number 4 naman po, if B is not equal to 0, sabi daw, if yung B daw, yung base natin is not equal to 0, then, ano daw, sabi daw, yung B raised to 0 is equal to 1. Okay, yun yung sinabing last property natin. Na any number, sabi to, itong base natin hindi equal sa 0. So, any number, let's say 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, ganyan, and so on and so forth. Any number, let's say we have 6, ganyan. 6 yung base natin is not equal to 0 yan, ha? So, raised to 0 po natin. That is already equals to 1. According to its properties of exponent. Kasi yung b po natin hindi magiging equal sa 0. Kaya po yung sagot po natin ay magiging 1. Yan po yung sagot dito na makukuha sa properties of exponent. I hope nakatulong kahit papano. So, that's all.